Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Tab 10, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a flash like this and then a pop-up at the bottom corner to signify that you have captured your screenshot, and you can share or edit it from here, and after a moment it disappears. Now that's one of the ways you can capture a screenshot. Another way, which is I would assume a little bit less convenient, would be to hold power key and then select screenshot right here. Same outcome, just a little bit more tedious way of getting there. Now once you have captured your screenshots, you can find all of them in your gallery or photos application. If you have some kind of categories at the bottom or anywhere, you can go into albums and it will create a screenshot album, like it's kind of visible right here, and you can then view all your screenshots that you have captured over the time. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.